Hi, my name is Courtney, and this is Handstand Fundamentals. Thank you for joining me today. This is a workshop style class, so we're going to start on the center of our mat and do some warm up, and then we'll move to the wall for some drills and techniques on the wall for handstand. And then you can either stay on the wall or come back to the center of the mat with me, and we'll work on handstands from there. So make sure you have a clear space, a clear wall to work with. Grab one block, and I'll meet you on your mat. All right, welcome. Thank you for joining me. So go ahead and grab your block. We're going to turn to the side and grab a child's pose, but bring your knees together for this. You're going to take your block lengthwise and place it down on your mat. Your forehead will come onto the block just about right here at eyebrow height, okay? Go ahead and set the block down. Rest your forehead on the block and your chest on your thighs. You're going to reach your arms out in front of you. And just go ahead and pop up on your fingertips. And as you breathe here, keep the hips nice and heavy. I want you to kind of inch your rib cage forward a little bit down your thighs. And see if you can lift the forearms up. So strong arms. As you lift the forearms up, you're going to draw the inner shoulder back a little bit and wrap the outer shoulder down. Good. Lift the palms a little higher. Take some deep breaths right here. 3, 2. Now keep those strong arms. You're going to plant your palms flat. So again, keep the forearms lifting, keep the upper arm bones hugging in, and at the same time, draw the inner shoulder back. Deep breath, stay with it. So these are your handstand arms. Spread your fingers, press your palms down. 2. And 1. Very good. Release that. You can go ahead and move your block out of the way for now. We're just going to come forward into a tabletop position, all fours. You can bring your knees hips width. And then just start with some cat-cows, warming up the spine. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, press and round. Dome your upper back. And again, inhale, scoop it through. Straight arms. Exhale, press and round. And just do a couple more on your own, really exaggerating the shoulder movement and the hands pressing down. And 1, very nice. Finding a neutral spine. You're going to turn your fingertips to point out towards the sides of your mat, and we'll give a little wrist love right here. So just rock your shoulders from side to side. Feel a nice stretch in your wrists. And then go ahead and flip your fingertips to point back towards your knees. And this will be a little bit more intense, so if you need less, walk your hands back a little bit. From here, you're going to circle your shoulders around your wrists. Go like 3 to 5 times in one direction, and then switch. Good, go ahead and shake that out, one hand at a time. Last one, you're going to turn your palm to face up. Just be careful here, nice and gentle, and then make a fist with your hand. And then open the hand, make a fist. One more time, open. And fist. Beautiful, let that go. And then we'll switch. Turn the palm to face up. Try to get your arms straight. Make a fist with your hand. And then open. Make a fist with the hand. One more, open. And make that fist. Good. Go ahead and let that go. Shake it out. And finding your neutral tabletop, you're going to take your right leg back behind you, flex your foot. So what I want you to feel right here is dropping the right hip down and in, lifting your navel up. Now go ahead and reach the left arm forward. Reach and lengthen your sides. Keep lifting your navel and breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Set that down, and we'll switch. Send the left leg back first. Set it up. Flex the foot and drop that left hip down and in. Keeping the core engaged, reach your right arm forward and breathe with this. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Set that down. All right, go ahead and bring your knees and ankles together again, and we'll sit all the way back on the heels. Okay, find a neutral pelvis right here. So drawing the tailbone down. Take a breath in, sweep your arms up. As you exhale, take the left arm under right eagle arms. Nice little shoulder prep here. So you can press your elbows forward, lift your fingertips up, and breathe into your back. And 1. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, switch. Right arm under left. Wrap it up. Fingertips lift. Press the elbows forward and breathe into your shoulders. All right, inhale, unwind, reach up. Exhale, bind your hands behind your back. So option 1, you can press your knuckles into your sacrum, draw the shoulders back, look up. Option 2, you're going to draw your knuckles down, start to lift your chest, look up and curl back. Lifting the top of the sternum for 3, 2, and 1. Mindfully release that. Go ahead and come forward to your tabletop position, and then we'll tuck the toes, lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. And for this first down dog today, our first inversion really, take a little walk, pedal your feet right and left. And then in pausing in neutral downward facing dog, I'm going to take an inhale and glide forward to plank pose, top of a push-up. Good, so we'll hold right here, super strong. You want to press your heels back, firm your thighs up, feel your kneecaps lift. Draw the pubic bone up and in, lift the waistline, dome your upper back a little bit. Same time, hug your upper arm bones in, press the ground away, and see if you can bring your sternum through just a touch. Good, hold right there. 3, 2, and 1. Hug your elbows in, lower all the way down to your belly. All right, we got a fun core drill right here. You're going to reach your arms forward. This is going to teach us to draw everything into the midline when we handstand. So you're going to take a breath in, reach your arms and your feet up, okay? Flying like Superman. Now, use your core. You got to roll to your right side. Hold it, and then roll to your back. Good, lift your feet and your hands and your chest, and then roll back to the right and back to your belly. Good, other side. Roll to the left, hold it. To your back, squeeze and lift. Back to the side, and back to your belly. Good job. All right, exhale, relax for a second. Look to the right and just take a deep breath in. Exhale, sigh. All right, plant your palms under your shoulders. Inhale, breath, lift your chest, cobra pose. And exhale back to downward facing dog. All right, just like we did in tabletop, take a breath in and lift your right leg up, just halfway, rolling that right hip down and in. Feel the inner thigh engagement. And take an inhale, exhale, crunch, knee to nose, round your back and press the floor away, dome. Good, inhale, kick it back, right leg up. Exhale, squeeze, knee to nose, step forward, runner's lunge. Good, pop up on your fingertips right here, just take a little movement. You can bounce, you bend and straighten. Good, from your runner, plant your palms flat. Press the ground away and step right back to downward facing dog. Take a breath. Okay, from the inner thigh, lifting your left leg up and back, flex that foot and roll the left hip down. And take a big inhale. Exhale, crunch, knee to nose, shoulders over wrist, lift. Good. Inhale, kick it back, left leg up. Exhale, squeeze, make space, and step, runner's lunge. All right, little free movement. You can bounce, do what feels nice. And then plant your hands flat. Try to pick that left foot up and step right back to downward facing dog. Take a breath. All right, go ahead and tippy-toe your feet. And take several tiny tiptoe steps up to the top of your mat. Lean into your hands, shoulders over fingertips. Walk as far as you can. And then once you get there, step your feet hips width. And bend your knees, grab your elbows, forward fold. And go ahead and bring your hands to your waist. Hug the elbows in, lift with your heart. Come on up to standing. And Tadasana, mountain pose. So again, grounding down through all four corners of your feet. Feeling the thighs squeeze back. Lift your pubic bone, draw your tailbone down. Heart lifts and the shoulders drop. This is your handstand alignment. Okay? And you're going to take a breath in, sweep your arms up overhead. Exhale, dive down, forward fold. Inhale, take a halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands flat in front of you. Bend your knees and try to jump back to chaturanga. Good. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale back, downward facing dog. Just hold a couple breaths. Nice, yogis. Tippy toe your feet. You're going to bend your knees. Look to the top of your mat. Use your fingertips as you jump forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach up, rise, come to standing. And exhale, hands to your heart and down by your sides. All right, hopefully you're feeling warm. We're going to move to the wall now.